Okay, so the first step to creating our lantern is to draw a design. So you're gonna take some regular paper, printer paper if you'd like, put it out horizontally. I don't know if you can see this, horizontally, and you're gonna draw your design. Choose whatever your design you'd like, animals, hearts, shapes. If you want to do an intricate design, like I don't know, like maybe a sunset or whatever you want. It's really up to you. So preferably marker or crayon or pencil even, just coloring it in. So the first step would be to just draw your design. I'm just going to do a simple design to like demonstrate. So I'm going to do some hearts. Just like that, horizontally. So then when I cut into it for our lantern, you can see the shapes. Nothing that hard. So yeah, again, doesn't have to be intricate, doesn't have to be simple. It's honestly whatever you would like. So yeah, here you have it, my design. It's really simple, but you can make it however you want.
Hi everyone, so once you're done your beautiful design on the front, you're going to take the piece of paper and turn it so the design side is face down. From there, you're going to take the back two corners and fold them over to reach the further two corners. You're going to make a crease down the middle. Now what you're going to need is a pair of scissors. You're going to look and you're going to cut just straight down around 1 finger's width. And you're just going to cut right down the middle. Make sure you don't go all the way to the end of the paper. Once you're done, you can open up your paper and it will look like this.
Hey guys, and now we're going to move on to the folding part. And all you have to do is just take the two ends here and here and then fold them like this, and make sure that your design is facing outwards like this so you can see it. And then just use some tape or glue to tape or glue these parts together. You can do like the ends. Okay, and there you have it, your lantern. And if you want to do something more extra, then you can also cut a small strip of paper out, and you can decide on the length and the width, and just tape it to the top of your lantern like this, or glue it. Okay, and there you have it. You have a little lantern with a handle.